a 1-star review. What are you going to do? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you some insights into how to handle a 1-star review on your Amazon listing. Now, if you like this kind of information from helping you build your own e-commerce store, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because we post brand new money-making content just like this each and every day. And if you've got any questions for me, comment below. I'll answer them personally. With that being said, let's get into the 1-star reviews. Neil, how do you deal with a 1-star negative review on Amazon? All right, so my thought, well, let me first of all tell you this. If you are selling FBA, you're kind of screwed if you get a 1-star review, in as much as it's very, very difficult to get that changed. Like, super difficult to do. It used to be the case that you could contact, so here, for instance, used to be the case there was a little kind of button here that said comment, and so you could comment on a negative review, and your comment would be, hey, this is Neil, I'm the seller of these products, we're super sorry to hear that you've had a bad experience. Please contact me through the Amazon seller messaging app and we'll replace it for you and make it right for you, no problem at all, okay? And that was great, because even if the reviewer didn't do that, you still demonstrated your commitment to customer service, which is awesome, okay? So they used to be able to do that. Now, of course, you can't do that. So that kind of sucks. It used to be the case that Amazon would allow you to contact those customers through the messaging app. But now you can't do that either. You can do it if you are brand registry, by the way, but you can't do it if you are normal kind of Amazon seller. So that kind of sucks as well. It used to be the case, lots of uses here, it used to be the case that you could offer the customer a simple replacement or a refund or something like that for their product. Of course, then with the hope and the view that they would then change and update their review. You can't do that anymore either. So terms of service for Amazon very clearly states that that is not allowed. So if you're FBA, then you're kind of screwed. Okay, so where does that leave us? Well, if you get a 1-star review, it does suck, I get that. You have to kind of look at the review, and if it's actually something fundamentally wrong with your product, then get to work. That's a lesson. Get to work, fix your problem, okay? If it's a competitor, or you believe it to be a competitor, or if you see a concerted effort by competitors to ruin your listing, then you can kind of flag that to Amazon. Have I got the email anywhere where I can do that for you so that you can actually go and get that done? So it's community-help@amazon.com, and that will do. But the thing is this, the only way Amazon will remove reviews is if they contravene the Amazon community guidelines that are out there. So you have to kind of hope that somebody's, calling you an asshole or swearing or doing something that contravenes the community guidelines. And then what you would do is you find the piece of terms of service that particular review you believe contravenes. You copy and paste it, you screenshot the review, you take the ASIN, you give Amazon all the information, assume they're idiots, and that you have to give them all the information. So you just make their job super easy, okay? I've done that. 25% of the time you'll get the review removed. Now, if it's a competitor just fucking with you and you can't prove that, then it sucks, I know, but there's really Nothing you can do about it. And I get that that sucks. The only thing you can do is to engineer your own 5-star reviews. But I don't mind so much if I do get a 1-star review, because what I've learned is actually customers have become very, very savvy now about reviews. And if it's just all 5-star reviews, that actually now flags a warning bell for most customers. They're like, there's something wrong. It can't all be good. Clearly, there's something going on here. Okay, so in actuality, having the occasional 1-star review is not so bad. It's not the death that it used to be. Amazon customers and e-commerce customers in general have gotten savvy to reviews now. So they've updated what they're searching for. Okay, you've probably done that yourself when you're thinking about buying something or going somewhere. Like, you don't mind if there's a couple of bad reviews now. You don't mind so much, you know. Anyway, so that's FBA. If it's FBM, fulfilled by merchant, it's much, much different. You can actually contact the customer, have a chat with them, find out what's going on, see if you can do something about it, offer to make changes and stuff like that. And the space to come from is this. Come from the space that there's a way here for you to improve your business. That's the best space to come from. If you have that in the back of your mind when you're speaking to your customers, especially the ones that are pissed off with you, you will quickly turn them around. Once they get the sincerity that you're genuinely looking to find out what went wrong and fix that, you can often create customers for life that way. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia. Over 2,600 members and counting, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and come and join us, of course, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link is in the description below. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.